Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stopping flow and relieving pressure. Make sure the line is empty so you can work safely. Once done, examine the copper sleeve closely for crimps, solder, or corrosion to decide cut versus heat. Use a pick to lift seams and a strap wrench to steady the pipe. Keep goggles and gloves on. If the sleeve is soldered, heat is required. If crimped, you'll need cutters or a small saw. Move deliberately. This first phase sets whether removal is mechanical or thermal. Now you choose the method and execute with control. For a soldered sleeve, heat evenly with a torch while protecting adjacent fittings. Once solder flows, pry the sleeve off with pliers. For crimped sleeves, score around the sleeve seam with a rotary cutter, then finish with a mini hacksaw or nut splitter. Make sure to support the underlying tube to prevent bending. Keep applying short bursts of heat or cut slowly. This preserves the pipe and prevents warping, so you can reuse or repair the base copper. Finish by cleaning the exposed copper. Deburr edges, sand to a smooth finish, and remove any residual solder or flux so fittings seat properly. Reassemble or install the replacement connector, then pressurize and watch for bubbles with soap or test at 30 psi to confirm integrity. If the sleeve remains stuck, reapply heat briefly or use a wedge puller and tap gently. Avoid excessive force. If you see distortion or pinholes, cut back to sound copper and repair with a sleeve or coupling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.